Hi you guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my kitchen, and in this episode I'm making clam chowder soup. Very easy method without a bacon. Many of you don't like bacon, so this one is really simple, easy and delicious. So let's get started. On a high heat we're gonna add in a pot olive oil, a little bit that. And I'm gonna saute onion, about one medium onion. There. And we're gonna saute. Onion looks good. I don't want to burn onion, I just want to make sure it's just softened. And then we're gonna add potato. So the potato I slice like cubes, and I'm gonna put on high heat for about 40 minutes or so. I'm gonna season with a salt, just like that. Mix this. And I'm gonna leave this about for 1 minute or so. Sprinkle with a flour, just like that. Okay, and we're gonna cook the flour. So the flour looks cooked to me, and I'm gonna add a water. So about 5 cups of water. And I'm gonna add lots of thyme. Thymes go there. I wanna season with the salt a little bit more. We're gonna mix this. So mix this well and let it simmer until potato is all tender and ready to eat. So I just transferred this to a little bit bigger pot, so it's be easy for me to work. And the potato is all done already, so I'm gonna add in milk and half and half. Let's mix this. Pretty good. Now we're gonna add a clams. Let's mix this pretty clams into our soup. Now I'm gonna season with the salt a little bit more. I believe I need more salt. You know, need freshly ground black pepper, and I would like to add pepper flakes. So we have a little bit spicy chowder there. And taste, make sure it's salt enough. Perfect. So now I'm gonna simmer this for another 5 minutes or so, and we're gonna have a soup, clam chowder soup. And the soup is all done. We're gonna add the crackers there. Look how delicious it is. Looks delicious and tastes delicious. So thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video, how I make very easy steps and simple clam chowder soup without the bacon and with lots of crackers. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And the crackers I like to use is the French. I got it from Trader Joe's. So yeah. Well, I'll see you in my next video. Hope you have a nice one. Bye.